Sub same.
No, 1 to 2. 22. 1 to 22.
Same order. উনি তিনটেতে ছিলেন।
No, he is appearing that 3 or 4 pages better.
My lord, item number 23, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Here, my lord, when the matter was taken up before the coordinated bench,
আপনি পড়ছো কেন? কি কথা? এপাশে এসো।
petitioner was a teacher of Navodaya, my lord. The question raised by the commission that whether I am working in a sanctioned post and directed Navodaya to make a party and take them instruction. My lord, we have been served with this by the learned advocate appearing for the Navodaya.
Report has been given to me.
I have a copy of the report.
Give me a copy of the report.
Give a copy to Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
দেখি পেনটা দে দেখি
All right, the authority will take into consideration of this.
My lord, only thing, my lord, since I was not allowed to fill up the application form, I might be allowed to fill up the application form, then the authority will consider.
But then
he is not entitled to get the marks.
take a decision.
But leave it to the SSC.
Decision. Relying on
Yes,
this. But then what about the application form? He says he has not been able to
Yes,
fill up
my
the
lord.
application form.
Only
In that
my
না,
lord.
না, কতগুলো আছে এখানে কতগুলো
application
criteria?
means the written test is over.
My lord, application form means, my lord, not the application form for experience. I have filled up the application form, I appeared in the written
The teaching
examination.
code?
For the
Application form,
They
I
are
was-
all they are not giving the teaching code. That's the whole difficulty.
It's a
No,
subject
everything cannot be
might
resolved
not have
here.
Teaching code, my lord.
he cannot get a teaching code if
first-
Navodaya doesn't
Therefore,
have
it's
a code.
No.
System of functioning. Please come.
Lord, may I, Lordship kindly may I just subject to your lords. কতজন petitioner আছে এখানে? আচ্ছা, that let the commission
Take a
consider
decision.
the case Lord, on the basis of the
Yes.
that এটাকে পাঠিয়ে দিও ওদের। আর আরেকটা কাইন্ডলি দিয়ে দেবেন। আরেকটা দিয়ে দেবেন।
The petitioner is a teacher
Next part কি আছে?
in the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti,
কি নাম? ওটার থেকে
an autonomous organization under the
ওটার নামটা কি?
Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Stop. To ascertain whether the petitioner was serving in a sanctioned post or not.
This is not in
Direction was passed upon the Learned Council for the Union of India to revert with instruction. Stop. From the report forwarded by the Deputy Commissioner within bracket IC in charge of the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. A report has been from the report. It appears that the petitioner worked on a substantive vacant post of TGT within bracket social science/studies during the periods mentioned in the said report. Stop paragraph. The petitioner prays for awarding marks for previous teaching experience in the second SLST. Stop. Next. The recruitment process is ongoing. Stop. The instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the West Bengal Central School Service Commission to take a decision relying on the report forwarded by the Deputy Commissioner of the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti.
ওইটা কিন্তু পাঠিয়ে দিবি
ঠিক
ওদেরকে।
আছে? A copy of the report has been handed over to the learned counsel representing the commission in court today. Stop. Let a copy be retained with the records. Stop. The decision shall be taken by the authority at the earliest.
No, we have to do it
Service.
within 3 or 4 days.
But
And
only
naturally,
one-
earliest means
My lord, only one thing. In the previous order, my lord, this petitioner walked into school, first in Navodaya, thereafter in Delhi government school, which the commission, my lord, in the last order accepted that Delhi government school, we have no objection to give any marks
case?
because
Which
it is a
case you are saying?
permanent post. This case, in the last order.
Samudaya, if you have worked in Delhi, I have said all
No, no,
that.
not only.
Mr. Unnecessary, you are.
No, no,
My lord, already.
your lordship has
No,
recorded
no, no,
Navodaya,
then Navodaya is all right, but earlier order was there.
At the top, it is mentioned his designation. I'll check up in case if there is
My lord,
anything wrong.
previous order, my lord.
Earlier, I have already, after that, he joined in that case, na?
Yes.
Delhi school, under the Delhi government. That time, Lord, in the order itself, I have said, Justice Sugoto Bhattacharya recorded that.
All right, next.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, item number 24. Union of India was directed to make party. I am come up with a, my lord, and the school. I've come up with a supplementary affidavit, my lord. I could not serve to my learned senior friend, my lord.
Good.
What is there?
The supplementary affidavit talks about, my lord, my post is a regular substantive post and the school is under the
Who has given
control of
that
the government.
instruction?
My lord, just, my lord, this is the documents I have obtained from the website. Sorry,
Website.
from the website of the school that Tibetan society is under the control of government of India.
No, no. Just a minute.
All right, let
Lord,
the commission
the-
take a decision
No,
on
no,
the
my lord,
basis of the
my lord,
documents
one thing,
that are
just let me kindly just record my. My lord, this is kindly come to page 37 of his writ petition.
there. Anybody for the Union of India? Well, please bring the instruction at least.
My lord, page 37, my lord, under the Department of Education, CTA, Dharmasala, and this is a registered society. Sikkim Tibetan Social School Society is not, my lord, school, my lord, within the purview of the central government. Even, my lord, if the point is needed to argue, I will argue that even the army school has been said to be by the Supreme Court, not the
My lord,
under the
page
central government.
23 of my
ভাই, হয় তুমি বলো না তোমরা প্রত্যেক সময় ইন্টারফেয়ার করো তারপরে জজ সাহেব আমাকে বলে প্লিজ দিস ইজ মর্নিং প্লিজ কিপ কোয়াইট
Page
তোমরা
23.
সব সময়তেই আগে
my
ইন্টারফেয়ার করো
supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
তোমরা বলো যদি কোর্টটা তোমাদের তাহলে তোমরাই করো আমরা
Calcutta Secondary Government of India. This is the document that you are relying upon,
Yes,
presently 23.
Yes, my lord.
All right, please come.
My lord, page 37 also is there.
Right.
And 2000, prior to 2000, my lord, kindly just record this. Prior to 2018, it was under the central government. But after 2018, it is not under the central government. I have not seen his documents.
The petition
বলতে কখনো দেবে না তোমরা সব সময় তোমরাই বলবে
second SLST.
ভূত একটা ব্যাপার হয়ে গেছে অভ্যাস
He seeks marks on account of his prior teaching experience. Stop. The petitioner has relied upon documents in his supplementary affidavit filed in court today, especially page 23, which is a certificate issued by the Central School for Tibetans, Darjeeling. Stop. It has been submitted that the website of the school clearly mentions that the school is managed by the Central Tibetan Schools Administration, Delhi, under Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Secondary and Higher Education, Government of India. Stop. Paragraph.
Well, kindly record that I am disputing that.
Disputing what?
But that this is not central government school.
Your
That's right. But
client will take a
but
decision.
my lord, I am disputing on behalf of my client. I am making the submission. Kindly
Uh,
record that I am disputing.
According to the commission, the petitioner cannot be treated as Now, the school in question cannot be treated to be a school under the central government. Stop. Be that as it may, as the petitioner has relied upon document in support of the submission that the school where he is teaching is under the government of India, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the commission to take a decision on the basis of the documents relied upon by the petitioner. Stop. Is relied upon by the petitioner at the earliest. Writ petition disposed. Service taken on record.
My supplementary affidavit may be kept.
Taken on record.